Once all the stiles are cut and detailed with the beaded edge, the next step is going to be drilling holes in the stiles to hold the shutter louvers. And so Rockler has this great little jig, comes with the kit, and it's set up for drilling both sides, both rails at the same time. So what you do is you follow the directions, you create your layout marks, and then it tells you exactly whether or not you're doing a fixed or movable shutter, which holes to drill in. And Rockler also sells these special drill bits that have a bushing and a guide bearing on it so that you can insert them into the template, do the drilling. They're set to the correct depth, there's no guesswork, and that's how you drill all the holes for the louvers so that you have these movable louvers. Or in the case of a fixed shutter, it's all set up for a fixed shutter with 2 pins in each rail. So I'm preparing to drill the holes for the louvers in the side rails for the shutter project, and I'm going to use this jig that Rockler's given us. And basically the way the jig works is they've got this line here that's etched in the top of the plastic, and it says there's a little note here, align with top rail. So I've measured the width of my top rail, which is this piece here that I've previously fabricated. And it's the total width of this without the dado in it. So I've lined that up, and then basically it's going to be really easy now that I've clamped the 2 pieces together to the jig. I'm going to drill where it says movable because I'm doing movable shutters. I'm going to drill these pair of indexed holes all the way down through for the entire length. And basically once you start, the first one is 1.5 inches down from the inside face of the top rail. Each consecutive line of holes is 3 inches apart. So we're going to drill those holes out using the special drill bit and the bushing that Rockler sent. So here's the special drill bit that Rockler supplies. It has a little bushing and it has a preset depth on it so that you can drill the holes to the right depth and you can use the template. So it's as simple as inserting it into the template, drilling down till it bottoms out, and then just do the next one. And you just continue down through the jig until all the holes are done. It's as simple as that. Rockler also provides a template for drilling the end pin holes into the louvers. So you can clamp them on. I've found that I can actually, I've got it all set up. I can actually just do it by hand. Really easy to do. Everything's centered. Again, you use the drill bit. This is a different size that they send with the kit. And you just drill out both sides and it's all set for the pins to go into the louvers. Simple as that. We'll also take this jig and we will use it to install a hole at the center for the control arm. So I still got to mark these out, but we'll mark a position in the center and we'll drill another hole through the face, and that'll be used for the control arm. And that's all there is to prepping this.